Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Dewi Darmaulan binti Akira. Our group has attended 3 different site visits for learning and observations purposes based on SMM2 and SMM3 requirements. At this stage, we will present our observations and explain the building element based on information from each site. The sites visited include the proposed constructions of affordable Rumah Spectra Permata at Muara Tebas, Sarawak Metro KUTS SR10 Simpang 3 Interchange Stations, and Wisma Melayu Sarawak. To begin with, for preliminaries, we observe temporary works at Rumah Spectra Permata site. First of all, the site signboard is measured as an item because it is a complete installation. Furthermore, the temporary site office is measured as a lump sum as it includes provisions, installations, and maintenance throughout the project durations. Beside that, site hoarding made of zinc fencing is measured in meter run along the boundary. Next, scaffolding is measured in square meter or item, depending on its specifications. Lastly, the debris chute is measured as an item as it is a complete waste disposal system. Moving to the finishes, we observe several elements at Wisma Melayu Sarawak. Firstly, a perforated acoustic ceiling was installed in the hold area for sound absorption and acoustic improvements. Furthermore, acoustic wall panels made of fabric material were used for noise control and sound absorption, and they are measured in meters square. Beside that, carpet tiles were used as floor finishes in the office area and are measured in meters square. In addition, marble look porcelain tiles were installed at the entrance for aesthetic and durability purposes and are also measured in meters square. Lastly, decorative 3D wall panels using CNC technology were installed on walls and are measured in meter square or item depending on specifications. These finishes clearly show the use of different materials for both functional and aesthetic purposes in building design. Thank you.
About types of fittings in mechanical and electrical. The first photo is a linear slot diffuser, which is the air distribution fitting used in HVAC system, with being installed at ceiling level to supply conditioned air evenly. It was provides uniform airflow and thermal comfort and being measured in meter. Next is square ceiling diffuser, which is the typical four-way diffuser for uniform air distribution, being installed on suspended ceiling system and commonly used in office and commercial buildings and being measured in number. The third one is resist LED downlight, which is a lighting fitting installed flush with ceiling surface. It was provides general illumination for interior spaces and suitable for office, corridors, and commercial areas, being measured in number. Third is a round diffuser, which is a circular air outlet used in HVAC system. It was distributes conditioned air evenly in all directions, being installed on ceiling for effective air circulation and common in commercial and institutional buildings. It was being measured by number. Last photo is electrical conduit, which is protective piping used to house electrical wiring. It was being installed concealed within ceiling or wall. It was the electrical conduit is help protects cable from damage and improve safety. It was being measured in meter. Now I'll talk about built-in and loose furniture at Wisma Melayu Sarawak. The first photo is a reception counter, which is a built-in joinery installed at the reception area for administrative and visitor service. It was easy maintenance and designed to suit the interior aesthetic and being measured in meter. Second is conference table, which is a loose furniture used in meetings and discussion space, which is provides a flexible and collaborative working environment and can be relocated and reconfigured as required and being measured in number. Third photo is a storage cabinet, which is a built-in storage system for document, personal belongings, and office supplies, which is maximized space efficiency and maintains a neat appearance. It was durable finish with easy maintenance and requirements being measured in meter. The fourth photo is a wall cabinet, which is a built-in storage system used in office space to provide efficient. It was enhanced space utilization and maintains a clean professional appearance. It was durable, functional, and easy to maintain. It was being measured in meter. And the last photo is an office tables and chairs, which is a loose furniture provided for workstation and office operations, designed to support user comfort and productivity. It was easily movable for future layout, changes, and maintenance. It was being measured in number.
For this slide, I will explain the types of doors used in the building. The first is a timber flash door. It consists of a door leaf, frame, handle, and lock set. The second is a timber panel door, which has decorative resist panels and is mainly used for internal space. The third is a laminated timber flash door, commonly used as an internal room door. According to SMM2 and SMM3, all these doors are measured by numbers, while fittings such as hinges, handles, and lock sets are measured separately. Next are the windows. The first is an aluminium frame glass window, which provides natural lighting and ventilation. Aluminium is durable and requires low maintenance. The second is a fixed glass window, which allows daylight and external views while improving the building's appearance. According to SM2 and SM3, both types of windows are measured in square meters. For wall elements, the first type is a reinforced concrete wall, which is constructed using cast in situ concrete. It acts as a structural wall that provides strength and stability to the building. The second type is an autoclave aerated concrete, or AAC block wall. AAC block are lightweight, provide good thermal insulation, and are commonly used for not load-bearing walls. The third type is a concrete ventilation block wall, also known as a breeze block wall. It allows natural ventilation and daylight while maintaining privacy. According to SM2 and SM3, breeze block walls and AAC block walls are measured in square meters, while reinforced concrete walls are measured in cubic meters. Next is an operable acoustic partition wall. It consists of movable panels that can be folded and stored when a larger open spaces is needed. This system helps divide a hall into smaller rooms for meetings, seminar, and event. For the final wall type is a Ventilation block walls with a decorative patterns. It improves natural ventilation, daylight, and the overall appearance of the building. According to SMM2 and SMM3, both types of walls are measured in square meters.
I will explain our site visit observation on 5 types of sanitary fitting at the RSP Taiwan Melayu 2, Stage 1 and 2 project. During the observation, we identified several sanitary fittings installed in the residential apartment units and understood how these items are measured according to SM2 and SM3. First, the first sanitary fitting observed was the water closet installation point. From the observation, we saw the exposed pipe outlet prepared before the toilet bowl installation. The pipe condition is important because it connects the sanitary appliance to the sewerage system. According to SM2 and SM3, sanitary fittings such as water closet are generally measured by number or unit. Second, sanitary fitting observed was the floor trap located at the bathroom floor area. The floor trap functioned to collect wastewater and direct it into the drainage system while prevent foul odor from entering the room. We also observed that the floor was properly sloped toward the trap to ensure efficient drainage. In measurement work, floor traps are measured by number according to the type and size specification. Third, sanitary fitting observed was the ceramic water closet or toilet bowl. This toilet bowl was still wrapped with protective plastic before installation to prevent damage. The water closet is an essential sanitary appliance for waste disposal in residential building. Based on SAM measurement rules, water closets are measured per unit, including fitting and accessories were specified. Fourth, sanitary fitting observed was the bidet spray and toilet accessory. These fittings are installed beside the toilet bowl for cleaning purpose and user convenience. Proper water supply condition is important to avoid leakage during operation. In SNM practice, this fitting also measured by number according to the type and specification. Fifth, sanitary fitting observed was the shower area installation. The shower area includes the water outlet connection, drainage system, tile wall finishes, and waterproof floor area. We learned that proper waterproofing and pipe coordination are important before installing the final shower fitting. Shower fittings are normally measured by number, while wall and floor finishes are measured in square meter according to SIM2 and SIM3. Next, I will explain our site video observation on 5 types of roof covering and roof structure system observed at the RSP Taiwan Melayu 2 Stage 1 and Stage 2 project. First, roof structure observed for the flat roof system used in apartment building. Flat roofs are commonly used in high-rise residential building project because they provide easier maintenance access and efficient space utilization. However, proper drainage systems are required to avoid water ponding. According to SM2 and SM3, flat roof construction is usually measured in square meter. Second, roof structure observed was the reinforced concrete roof slab. The concrete slab acts as the main structural support of the roof and carries imposed load such as rainwater and maintenance load. Reinforced concrete slabs are widely used because they are strong, durable, and fire resistant. In construction measurement, concrete roof slabs are commonly measured in cubic meter for concrete volume and square meter for formwork. Third component was roof screening. Screening is applied above the concrete slab to create the correct slope for rainwater flow toward drainage outlet. Proper screening prevents water ponding and waterproofing failure. According to SAM measurement rules, screening work are generally measured in square meter based on thickness and material specification. Fourth, roof component observed for the waterproofing layer installed above the screen. Waterproofing is important to prevent water penetration into the building structure and improve roof durability. Proper waterproofing installation reduces future maintenance and leakage problem. Under SM2 and SM3, waterproofing work are measured in square meter according to the roof area cover. Fifth, roof covering observed for the aluminum roofing installed the car porch area. Aluminum roofing is lightweight, corrosion resistant, and suitable for external cover space. The roofing sheets are supported by steel framing member to ensure structural stability. In measurement practice, aluminum roof covering is measured in square meter, while supporting steel member may be measured by weight or line depending on the specification. In conclusion, this site visit gave us valuable exposure to ensure construction work and measurement practice used in the industry. Throughout the visit, we were able to observe various building elements such as preliminary finishes, sanitary fitting, roof structure, door and window wall type, furniture, and MEE fitting directly at the construction site. Besides understanding the construction process, we also learned how these building elements are measured according to the standard method of measurement, which are SM2 and SM3. For example, we learned that finishes as floor tile and wall tile are measured according to their dimension and specification. This helps us connect the theoretical knowledge learned in class with real site application. In addition, this site briefing and observation improve our understanding of the responsibility of quantity surveying in construction projects, especially in measurement work, cost control, and site coordination. We also gain better understanding of the importance of workmanship, material selection, construction supervision, and compliance with construction standards. Overall, this site visit was very beneficial because it enhanced our practical knowledge, technical understanding, and communication skills as future quantity surveying professionals. It also allowed us to experience the real construction environment and understand how measurement principles are applied on site.